Howdy, this is Joshua Sanderford, and I've got something for you in the AI agent era of HighLevel or sessions or the revolutionary tools that are going to be everywhere and a little bit scary, but also super awesome. Enough of my grandstanding, but this is a landing page. You've seen that before, nothing revolutionary, except for the fact that I've included a unbranded HighLevel video that is something you can use to demo the AI agent to your clients, because of course you're going to want to redirect them to a landing page, show them exactly the results that they are going to get if they sign up using your AI agent. And so inside of this landing page, inside of this offer, if you choose to purchase it or sign up as my affiliate in order to get it, you will get this video included with this little snapshot funnel. And they can click on this video.
Hey, you have reached. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm looking for some marketing for my business.
Great. I can help with that.
And of course, I've included a section in which you could insert your own business name if you wanted to, but you could also leave it completely blank, just an edited section out of the audio of the AI agent. That way it doesn't break any sort of branding. Now, this landing page is using several of the features and sections inside of the HighLevel website and funnel builder, so it's nothing super unique other than taking some of the screenshots and styling. You could use it as is. And of course, make sure you go in here and edit a lot of the text. This is going to be kind of lower ipsum, so it's not anything fancy in the wording and branding. Make sure it fits your brand. And of course, whenever you click the button, you get a pop-up for a two-step. If that's the way that you want to do it, you can of course plug it into your website and anywhere else that you're going to use it. In order to get access to this, you can either be my affiliate, sign up as a HighLevel affiliate, instructions on this landing page where you're viewing this video, or through my joshuasanderford.com website, as well as the one-time purchase where you can get this entire landing page plus the demo video, which is completely unbranded, doesn't break the white label version of your HighLevel page and your HighLevel SaaS. So hopefully this is something useful. I appreciate all the support with the free videos and everything else. You have supported me greatly, and hopefully this is something that is valuable to you. And I will see you in the next video and next Facebook post and wherever I see you in the future. Adios.